Ever grappled with the question, where do I find the right resources to enhance my learning experience? Well, you're not alone. Every day, millions around the globe encounter the same dilemma. In today's discourse, we'll navigate through this labyrinth of resources, and hopefully by the end, you'll find a path that suits your learning style. Firstly, consider the treasure trove of knowledge found in books. Whether it's the traditional hardcovers, paperbacks, or the more modern ebooks, they remain a reliable source of information. Libraries, both physical and digital, offer a vast array of books on every conceivable topic. Services like Project Gutenberg and Open Library provide free access to thousands of ebooks, while Amazon and Barnes and Noble offer paid options. Secondly, explore the world of online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and Udemy offer a plethora of courses in various fields. Whether you're into coding, philosophy, or culinary arts, there's a course out there for you. These platforms often provide interactive content, quizzes, and certification upon completion, making learning fun and rewarding. Thirdly, podcasts and TED Talks offer a unique blend of entertainment and education. Podcasts like Stuff You Should Know and Freakonomics Radio provide fascinating insights into a wide range of subjects. TED Talks, on the other hand, offer expert opinions and innovative ideas from industry leaders and thinkers. Fourthly, don't underestimate the value of peer learning. Study groups, online forums, and social media groups can provide a dynamic and interactive learning environment. Platforms like Reddit, Quora, and LinkedIn have numerous groups where you can discuss, debate, and share knowledge on various topics. Lastly, experiment with apps and software designed to aid learning. Apps like Duolingo for language learning, Photomath for solving math problems, or Anki for flashcards can provide a more personalized and engaging learning experience. In conclusion, the path to knowledge is not a one-way street. It's a vast network of intertwining roads, each leading to different sources of information. Books, online courses, podcasts, peer learning, and educational apps all offer unique ways to enhance your learning experience. So don't hesitate to explore, experiment, and find the resources that resonate with your learning style. Remember, the journey of learning is as important as the destination. So make it count, make it enjoyable, and most importantly, make it yours.